Que mi gente, it's your boy Dio. Back out here in another video, man. It's a nice day today. Actually turned out to be pretty nice. It was cold this morning, but it's been one of those weeks where we wake up and it's like 30 something degrees, and then by the afternoon it's in the 60s. So yeah, it's one of those. Anyways, guys, in the last video you guys saw me go pick up a new GoPro Hero 9, and I put the to be continued on it because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it or not, because in that video I explained why I had not jumped to one of the newer GoPros in a long time, and it was mainly due to the convenience of the audio that I had set up there. So I wanted to, before I committed to actually keeping the GoPro Hero 9, I wanted to see if I can get the same sound or similar sound quality out of the Hero 9. And before I could do that, I needed to test it out with different mic setups. So I ended up, anyways, long story short, I ended up buying Amazon, one of those regular Amazon lapel mics, tested it out. It was okay, but as I would pick up on the bike, it would distort the audio. And I actually thought I had a video of that saved, but apparently I did not, or I needed to format the SD card, which was another issue with the GoPro Hero 9. It kept messing up the files. But anyways, I ended up not going with that, mic. And it was I would say a few days of really testing and seeing what worked, what didn't work. Believe it or not, guys, I ended up going with a boom mic, a Sena boom mic. I spliced that with another plug, and obviously you can hear the quality of it because you're listening to me right now, and that's the setup I'm doing. So you can tell it works well. There's no distortion when I pick up, if I pick up very aggressively, and it just sounds very clear, man. There's really nothing to complain about in regards to the sound. It's just a really good setup. If you guys want to know exactly how I did that or how I spliced the wires, make sure to comment on the section down below. Just put down, yo, Dio, help me out, man. Hashtag splice them wires. Yeah, let's go with that. Comment down below, hashtag splicing wires. And if I get enough votes or comments or enough people asking me, then I'll do a video explaining how I spliced the wires and what I connected it to, because it really was not that simple. I had to watch several YouTube videos, and even then it wasn't a cookie cutter type of answer. I had to figure it out on my own. But anyways, I'll have that video for you guys if you so desire. I wanted to talk about channel updates, and part of the action plan that I had prepared for myself in terms of getting this channel back on track and producing better quality and bringing better quality to the channel, so on and so forth. Part of the action plan was to update the logo and create a new logo. I'm gonna put the logo here that I made for the channel back in 2016, and this is the logo I've been using ever since. It's supposed to depict a derby cover, and yeah, a derby cover and BXP. I mean, it was very simple. I didn't really want to make it too complicated because the goal of that was to make stickers out of them and little business cards, which I did. I made a whole bunch of that stuff, gave them out throughout the years, and actually I still have, I would say, like 2 or 3 of the original BXP stickers left. So I might give those out. I don't know yet what I'll do, but yeah, I still have a few. And but anyways, it was meant to be simple, straight to the point, and I wanted to put some elements in there of a motorcycle. Yes. But as I now have a new camera, I figured I'd do a new logo. And I think it was about time because, it was just getting a little dated. So why not come up with a new logo and even a new intro? Ooh. So if you guys have been following me for a minute, I've gone through several introductions in the years, and some of them have been good, some of them have been but the point is, I wanted to have a cohesive kind of branding for the channel, and that's what I want to introduce to you guys today, if you allow me. Of course you allow me, you have no choice. You do what I say, baby. But anyways, without further ado, let me just show you guys the new logo that I've made for the channel. And here it is. Now I'm visualizing it in my mind because I'm writing right now. But yeah, think of the BxPolymath. Think of the BXP, the OG BXP. Now instead of a derby cover, we're transforming that into a sprocket, which is what you see there. You know, because the derby cover is stationary, doesn't really do much. But the sprocket gets dirty. It's always spinning, always moving. And it's an integral part of the motorcycle. So I figured I'd use that. Now, other elements that you guys see on this, you see the racing stripes and my current bike, or the silhouette of it actually. It's the Road Glide, baby. I mean, yeah, I did have the Dyna back in the day and whatever, but this is it, man. This is the bike. So I wanted to have something of that in there. And the racing stripes, I mean, just to pay homage to the Road Glide Baggers racing thing series that's been going on. Because before that even came out, I actually was building this to be a performance bagger, so I put the little racing stripes in there, the little racing flag. And yeah, that concludes the logo. And it took me about a month to work on that. It's gone through several stages, but this is the final version, man. And I'm really happy with it. It was made by me. I didn't pay anybody. I did all the elements that I wanted to, and the colorway as well, just to kind of reflect on my club colors, the black and gold. Sovereign, baby. So it has all those elements in there. I mean, I don't think even if I paid someone to do it, they can capture the essence of what I wanted. So this is just a culmination of that. So comment down in the section below what you guys think of the logo. And you know what, since we're just talking about all the updates here, the final piece to the puzzle, the introduction. Now this one I did pay for. There was no way I was messing with that, but this one was a little easier. I went on Fiverr, told the guy what I wanted, and he spat out a animation which I wasn't too thrilled about, especially the sound or whatever background music he put. So me being me and being able to edit video and sound pretty well, I decided to just chop it up, fix it up, and yeah, I made it my own basically from what he has sent me. So without further ado, this is the new BXP intro. Enjoy. Woo! Wasn't that fire? Oh man, super hyped, super hyped with the way it came out. I think it looks great. Believe it or not, shout out to the Headless Biker, my boy, because I actually gave a preview of this on Instagram, and the initial one was about 30 seconds long. I knew it was long and I was gonna cut it down, but my boy just savage over here was like, yo, that shit is too long, bro. Not in those words, he said it very nicely. But yeah, he was like, dude, you should cut that down a little bit. and luckily I was already working on that. So what you guys saw was the shortened up version, and like I said, I think it looks great. Really happy for it, and that's what I'll be using in future videos as the intro. So anyways guys, basically that's the gist of everything. I just changed up the branding. You guys got to see the new logo. By the way, if you guys want to see how I made that logo, I could do that actually. I know how to record a screen now and do a voiceover, so it wouldn't be too bad. So if you guys want to see that, just comment down below, show me the logo, hashtag show me the logo, and I'll make a video for that. And yeah, so that concludes today's video, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to the channel, which I've been seeing a lot of you guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for being part of this family, this journey. And yeah guys, thanks so much. Have a good one. Talk to you guys later. Peace out.